let's prepare this client's fried rice order. Hello guys, you are welcome to my channel. So I got my first YouTube order last week. I was so excited and I decided to take you along the whole cooking process. Do not worry, all the list of ingredients used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. Oh, you're surprised I'm a food vendor? I've said this 1,001 times in this channel. I'm a food vendor based in Lagos. I cater for both indoor and outdoor catering. Feel free to contact me for your next event and trust me, you'll be blown away. For the rice, you can see in my pot here, I just have onion, ginger and garlic mix. I saute them in my oil with some curry powder and shrimp powder before adding the rice. So what I'm doing here is I'm just frying the rice so it doesn't get sticky and it doesn't get spoiled easily, okay? Here you can see my chicken has been properly cooked and soft before I then added the stock from this chicken to the rice itself. This is not a very detailed video on how to cook fried rice. Don't worry, do not worry, I'll be making a detailed video on how to make Nigerian fried rice that doesn't get spoiled easily. For my pepper sauce, I just have a red onions, fry it in my oil before adding my pepper mix. This pepper mix has just the combination of hot red bell peppers and hot scotch bonnet peppers and also white onions, okay? I don't have tomatoes in here. I don't have paprika pepper in here. I then fry this till I get this very nice consistency before grilling my chicken. Yes, the client doesn't like fried chicken, so the healthiest option for her is grilling her chicken. Then I added just little spices to the pepper mix and little seasoning cubes before adding the grilled chicken. Here you can see that this is already looking so yummy-licious. If there's anyone like that, okay? If you're yet to like my video, please like my video, okay? Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. do not want to overcook your vegetables at this point because you want them to still be crunchy even after the whole cooking process. We are making fried rice, so if at this point your vegetable is already soft, by the time you add the rice and allow it to cook for a little while, it becomes soggy. Okay, so here I've added my rice, and you can see that my rice is 1-1. It's my mom. My mom will say the rice is krong. Yes, my rice is krong. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.